welcome back, my dear good friends. My name is Arcane Static, and we are doing Slime Rancher 2. I did some grinding for about 45 minutes off camera just now to get back the stuff that I had gotten, and then subsequently lost. And so now we're going to go and deal with those things. I've already put the Primordi Oil and the Lava Dust in the science plots. So that is not something that we have to worry about exactly right now, but... Okay, we do corral, high walls, and then air net, and I think we probably want a solar shield, plort collector, and we're out of money! Nice! Okay, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now... I should look up what those two guys like. Ah, yes, you're the one that likes the weird onions. And you like the weird hens. We just so happen to have a decent amount of the onions here. Because we planted the onions, you see. So we actually got a few of them. So we'll just go... This looks like a disaster in the making. Boop. We'll just get the fire guys to turn into the big guys at some point. Excellent. Do not have the auto feeder just yet, but we do have a silo that's got some of these things in it. There we go. I can't pick up any more carrots, but that's fine, because these guys eat carrots. Oh, those are so completely full. Okay, here we go. We'll do this, fill this guy completely up. We'll set this to slow. And then we'll pick these carrots up. That hen can come along as well, I suppose. And then let's just shoot an onion in here for funsies. You don't eat chickens, so... Boom, that's fine. Pardon me. On the upside, it does look like we're actually, like, doing pretty good, like, money and stuff-wise right now. Like, from a production of resources standpoint, it seems to work out. What likes these? Favored by bats. Okay, so I can stop growing the Q berries and grow this thing instead. That works out for me. I mean, it makes no difference to me either way. I do not remember what likes Q berries the best. Or indeed, if such a slime is in the game right now. I am not surprised that the teleporty slimes are... Oh, there we go, remove crops. Remove the crop. And we will do this instead. Pomegranate tree. And... man, there's chickens everywhere. Look at all those chickens. Let's just do one of these. You guys have a good time. I will take a whole bunch of this. There we go. Can I make any upgrades to the silo? Okay, yeah. I can add one more slot, which might perhaps be nice, given the amount of production that we are seeing right now. Ah, come on, go in the thing. Yeah, we'll just take those back. And then let's also put in these guys. Now, for some selling. Oh. I see you guys have done some work as well. We're just gonna do like this. Make us some money. Like that. Excellent. Now let's go clean up here. And is there anything that that we have an abundance of which I could make use of such an abundance? Of such an abundance, I could perhaps make use. That's what we will say. We'll put that guy in there as well because it's nice. Just go ahead and boom, 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 boom. There we go. Now you guys are safe and fed. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, now anyway. I ran past this a little while ago, but did not do it. Here we go. Oh, we got stuff from everybody. Alright, hey Vic.
Beatrix, I have something I must share with you about the AI. As you know, we have been exchanging questions with one another. Well, this back and forth became faster and more casual over time, almost like a natural conversation. I assumed it was simply evolving and adapting to the style of talk it observed in me, but then something happened. Well, we'd begun playing a game of Go as we talked, a way I could further test its intellect and no doubt how it could test mine. These games would go on long into the night, and so would our conversations, feeling more and more natural, even though I knew that the entity I was speaking to was just a complex collection of code. And then one day as the sun was rising, it suggested just one more game. I said certainly, but I needed to make myself a cup of coffee if I were to stay awake for it. And it replied, "Me too." I just stared at the screen, not knowing what to say. But then suddenly, as if it knew what it had just done, it disconnected. I have not heard from them since, but I hope I do. Until then, I will wait, staying busy with my work as always, asking those questions that need answers. But I will do so with the Go board ready for another game. Someday, anyway. Goodbye, Beatrix. I hope to talk again soon.
Huh. That sort of puts my theory from earlier that it is a reconstruction of a human intelligence a little bit further forward. B, I've been trying to get a hold of you. I've analyzed one of the drones you've been finding all over the island, and I know why it seems so familiar to me. It's mine. Or at least it's one that I've seen before. In my dreams, anyway. After I looked at scans I took of it, I knew it was familiar, so I began looking through some old slime science journals of mine. These journals are mostly future projects, but sometimes they're speculative technology. You know me, I'm always thinking 6 steps ahead to keep Mochi Tech on top of the industry. Well, sometimes I come up with the impossible, stuff I may never engineer in my lifetime. Well, those drones you're finding are exactly that. Impossible with today's technology, and taking right from the pages of my journals. There's something I saw in a dream, B. So how did a bunch of impossible drones I designed in a dream find their way from the pages of my journals to Rainbow Island? Maybe
Maybe there's some kind of archive in them that we can unlock to learn more. I know they contain data logs, but if it were me, well, I always know how to find a way of holding back what I need to. Okay, B, I need some time to think on this. I'll let you know if I come up with anything. Maybe I'll sleep on it.
Oh, lo siento, Beatrix. I have been putting in a few long nights reading lately. Specifically, I've been going through every field guide and botanical research paper I could dig up on the far, far range. I thought that even if the flora on Rainbow Island is unnatural, maybe we could have been recorded somewhere with some information we could use. And it turns out, there's nothing. I can't find a single mention of rainbow-hued flora anywhere, so that means that whatever happened at that island to make it look the way it does happened relatively recently. But I don't think you needed me to tell you this, because I think you've seen it yourself. The things you've described, an entire portion of the island split between two different colors right down the middle? That says accident to me, Beatrix. So tread carefully out there. Nature can be a dangerous thing to us, but it pales in comparison to what we can do to it. I'm going to keep digging around in my library for anything else that could help you, and if I come up short there, maybe I'll just bake you some muffins. Either way, te tengo, Beatrix. Adios! Oh boy. What about you, Thora? Hiya, B. How's life out there on Rainbow Island? Gosh, it's even fun to say. Must be a hoot. You know, ever since I heard you were off doing something new, I got to think about my own life and what the next new is for me. Hobson and I both seen and done so much in our lives, been one adventure after another across this dusty rock. And ever since we've become acquainted, we haven't slowed down one bit. So we're looking to take a new adventure, together. We just haven't figured out what or where. Maybe we go exploring some hidden nook of the far, far range like you, or even set our sights to the stars like Hobson had done before. Whatever we decide to do, it'll be all the more special because we'll be sharing it this time with each other. It's that part that makes it all the more exciting. It's so hard to find someone in this world that fits you completely. Such a rare thing, like finding two identical snowflakes in the desert. I know you feel that more than I can say. I ain't ever losing sight of just how lucky I am, B. I want to use the gifts the universe has seen fit to give me. You keep your head up, girl. We'll chat again soon. That's so sad. What about you, Bob?
Hello, fellow. Who has gift for you? Yay, chickens!
Oh, excellent. Thanks, Bob. See, Bob doesn't ask for anything. He doesn't give me any ominous information. He's just a chill guy. Boop. Just one chill guy. Yeah, you guys seem like you're having a little bit of a population boom here. Oh my god. So we're just gonna maybe clean some of this out. Yeah, this seems fine. Alright, now let's make sure that you guys are stocked up. Oh yeah, you're not stocked up. So that was a bunch of weird lore stuff just now. The thing about the AI is particularly disconcerting. There's only 4 carrots left? How is that possible? Alright, well, let's take all the carrots out of here then. And we'll just throw them directly into the feeder. And kaboom. Too easy. Oh, that's the wrong one. This is the right one. There we go. Now let me just do some quick gather and sell so that I've got a little bit of extra cash. You know, the good stuff. Capitalism. Just gonna gather up all of this weird alien poop. And 39 and 40. Excellent. The only other slimes I have in the area are the fire slimes, and they're probably not producing very much in the way of these things right now. Okay. Well, it's clobbering time. And by clobbering, I mean selling. And by selling, I mean making money. They're worth 9 today. That's not the worst. The pink slimes, that is. Fire slimes are worth a pretty decent amount. Okay. Now then. What stuff can I make right now? I need boom plorts. That one's done. That one we don't have yet. So we need more jellystone. We need jellystone, boom plorts, silky sand, wild honey, and buzzwax and crystal plorts. Okay, so I actually need quite a bit of stuff. Alright, well. What's this map currently look like right now? This is still covered up. And so also is this. This guy will be easier to get food for. Because he is a boom slime, and boom slimes eat meat. Yes, boom slimes eat meat. So... Huh. Not as many roosters in there as I would have hoped. But that's fine. Here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna sleep until morning. And then hopefully that will have generated a bunch of chickens. Hey. What are you doing in there? And pick up a whole mess ton of these guys. Now we're gonna leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all of these. There we go. We've got a whole bunch of these pomegranates. Which we're gonna go... Oh, yes, yes, absolutely, thank you. But yes, we are going to go and jam these into the feeder here. There we go. Okay, you chickens are gonna be fine in a bit. Oh, I could take the old chickens with us as well. There we go. Let's see, 27, 30, 3, 5, 6, 7, 50, 34, 35. I'm gonna need at least 15 more if I'm not mistaken. Let's see how the ones down here have been doing. Because if I could possibly get 15 more, that would be the best. Let me just pick up a whole mess load of these guys real quick. We're gonna put them in the feeder. Like this. There we go. And then as for you guys, you have made basically nothing in the way of chickens, huh? Huh. I mean, a ton of little tiny boys, but I don't know if that's really gonna do me much good right now. Probably ought to feed these guys. I have enough that I can make them... Okay, no, I've done all the other stuff now. Okay, so I actually came out of there with fewer chickens than I went in, but, you know. I have to look out for my guys. Running a little low on ash here. Let's just go ahead and drop a ton of carrot. Let's just fill this sucker up. There we woof. I guess we are sort of picking up a decent lot of these. Actually a good number of them. That ain't half bad. We probably need fire plorts for some sort of slime science somewhere, so I'm gonna just deposit these guys real quick. And now, I need more chickens. I need more allowance. I will pick up every chicken that I find along the way. If you are meat, I will take you. I do not want vegetables. I do not want fruit. All I want is meat. I am on a mission. I want to pop that Gordo. Oh, there are chickens over here. What a... Ooh, actually, wow, there's a lot of these suckers over here. Don't want. You can stay as well. Except you. You can stay. And I know that there's at least one more, like, little nest thing that I run by up here. Them have the chicken. There we go. And now, away we go to the other side. I have eaten too many of those chocolate candies. And as a consequence, I am somewhat, like, upset in the stomach. Which is a shame, because I dislike that. There. Just, like, straight through. Let's let the stamina build back up. Oh, I thought you were a chicken. That's fine. You don't have to be a chicken. It would be cooler if you were. I know I'm on a mission here, but that hasn't changed anything about these geysers. They're still fun as heck. I think I can afford a few minutes for a splash like the old days. This is the way I want to go, right? Yeah, sort of up and around, like straight through this way. I feel your heart beat to the beat of the drum. Oh, what a shame that this song exists at all. Oh, ow, I've been bit. It's fine by me. Gosh, there sure are a lot of these guys here. Oh, I am being hurt. He looks so dumb. Okay, stand here where it's somewhat safe for a second. Somewhat. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a place to try to be. Hop right over. And do a little zip zip up here. And we go like that. Now then, you who eats meat. I know you are not going to have enough for me to pop you yet. Even though I've collected many chickens along the way. I have collected many chickens. And since I'm here, I may as well take these. I don't just see any more just kind of sitting around. There we go. Now, the next question. Where can I get more chickens? Is it a ringtail statue? Yes, it is. Hey, ringtail statue. Heck off. Boom. You are not a chicken, and are therefore not useful to me. Oh, okay, that was a weird, like, sudden set of rays of light. Oh, hi friend. What have you got for me? I would like some chickens of any flavor or variety. A chicken by any other name will taste as savory. From my perch high on the rock top, I see all things. But I do not see a chicken. A great folly that no such chickens can be seen. Therefore I must continue onward, in search of the chickens that the giant slime requires. Should be a great band name, In Search of Chickens. They have to be like a death metal band and be like, "Oh, everybody, we are in search of chickens!" Da, 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 da. Nothing useful. Hello, hello. You are useful to me. Perhaps there are more like you? Silky Sand, are you Silky Sand? You are Silky Sand. Excellent. A decent amount of the sand as well. I am pretty far away now, which is a shame on account of the fact that I would very much like to open this sucker. So let us do our best. We have resources to collect anyway. But I have reason to believe that there is something big locked behind both of those things, because the building that they're in front of is so humongous. Radiant ore. Let's go up this way. You'll forgive me, I hope, for not indulging your tars. I'm, not concerned. For a second, I thought that sort of looked like a... like one of these. I need to constantly readjust my posture. I do not have a good chair. On the plus side, we are getting a decent amount of resources of many kinds. Do we find any more chickens along the way, though? That is the real question. There we go. I do not know if this is the right environment for chickens. I say that, and then I'm immediately told otherwise. That's excellent for me. The briar hens are the thing's favorite. So, that might actually end up being helpful. Oh, no, 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 no. I would very much like it if I was not thrown haphazardly off the edge of the map. That would be great, like super good for me. 3, 4. Hey, we did it! Now, what is back there? Hello! Ember Valley Teleport. Teleport that hacks the ancient warp network on Rainbow Island, allowing one-way travel to Ember Valley. What? Oh, a strange diamond. Excellent. I hear a research drone. There it is. What's up, my guy? This gate is still sealed too, so I really must have been the first to enter since it was abandoned. Abandoned. It was here that I had my first doubts. I thought I was talking to engineers, problem solvers who could fix what I found, but once we left the labyrinth and met up here, I saw they were smiling. They were excited at the sight of opportunity. The company had sent their money people, not engineers. I don't think they had even considered stabilization. It wasn't long before it all collapsed. Okay, so these are just lights of some sorts. But this is some kind of gate or portal that obviously we cannot get through just yet. And he said something about a labyrinth and people being excited for money. I don't know what that means. I don't need that. Tea. Is there another place somewhere? Ah, there is a place right here that I can put something. No warp tech. Okay, okay, okay. Well, this is interesting. I will perhaps take a couple more of these fun guys. And we will head back to the main house. Yes, okay. Let's pick up a bunch of carrots. I need to be growing more stuff now. I need to be growing stuff that has a super high yield. That, I think, is the key. I may have too many fire slimes. Did not want to pick up the slime, but that's fine. We'll just put him right back. And we'll make some money. $99 of these bad boys, huh? Alright, well. 79 and 40. Perfect. And we'll take a large amount of these as well. Excellent. And let's pump up the jam. If the jam can be pumped, then we shall pump it up. There we go. And we dump the dump the plorts. Honestly, there's probably some sort of meta to trying to deal with the plort market as though it were a stock market type thing. But I'm fine. I have enough money because I have enough slimes. I have enough stuff. I will be okay. And 40. And then we'll pull the same business here. And then we'll pull the same out of here. Now the next time I go out, I should take a boom plort with me so that I can open that door. At least. Now then, plort market, let me fill your tubes with plorts, and you fill my wallet with money. Ah, I'm so close to breaking 10K. It's fine. It's fine. We'll just go and check on these fellows. Delicious, delicious. Om nom 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 nom. And you as well. $40 of there. Are you still being fed? You're being somewhat fed. getting a pretty decent crop of the onions. We'll just go and drop all the carrots in here. There we go. And we'll pick all the carrots up. Am I growing carrots in this one and onions in the other? It feels like it could possibly be a waste. No, this is the one I'm growing onions in, and this is the one I'm growing heartbeats in. Okay. I'm about to be like, hang on. Can't fit anymore. You guys really like these, so I'm just gonna fill the cage with them for now. And then you guys can have fun for a little while. Hey. You get back in there. You get back. Back inside. And I'll do some of this for you. I do need the auto feeder still here. And I may as well also do the music box. Let's just go ahead and fill this up with the onions. Wanyong. Huh. Boop. And there we go. And here's where we make sure that they have got everything that they need. There we go. I got a lot of carrots as well, which I should probably do something with, but I've already got 100 of them in there, so maybe I'll take them back to the incinerator in the next episode. Thank you very much for coming and hanging out, my dear good friends. I'm going to finish up this little traipse of gardening. You are not the right ones. Honestly, the carrots should probably not even be in this thing. But there's so many of them in there. There are so many of them in there. It's fine. But yeah, thank you for coming and watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. The like and subscribe buttons are waiting below this video. You know what to do with them. You've been on YouTube before. I hope that you've been having a good time so far. We found some interesting stuff today. Yeah. I'll see you next time.